How to fix Nvidia driver keeps crashing error in Windows 11. 1. Remove and reinstall Nvidia driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B. Update the Nvidia driver directly. 2. Change Nvidia control panel settings. 1. Disable vertical sync. 2. Set prefer maximum performance to power management mode. Save the changes, restart your computer. 3. Run DISM tool and SFC scan as admin. Commands include dism/online/cleanup image /scan help dism/online/cleanup image /check help dism/online/cleanup image /restore help SFC/scan04. Open Nvidia control panel in Windows Clean Boot, then try uninstall conflicting applications using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. 5. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. 6. Reset Windows 11.